When Mr. Jones opens his grocery store each morning, he begins with the same total amount of money. He puts $500 in his safe, and he distributes the rest equally to the 7 cashiers in the store. This situation can be represented by the function y equals x minus 500 over 7. What does the variable x represent in this function? Well, let's talk about what y is first, okay? Now you're going to look at this function up here, and you're going to have 7 cashiers, aren't you? Okay? So you're going to divide the money by 7. So the y is the money each cashier has. Because you're going to subtract something, divide it by the 7. So each cashier is going to get an equal amount of money. There's 7 cashiers. So y is the money for each cashier. All right? Now $500 you put in the safe. Of the total amount of money you have, you put 500 in a safe. Okay? There's your 7 cashiers. This is the money each cashier has. The total amount of money looks like that would be the x, doesn't it? You'd have X amount of dollars at the beginning of the day, or the shift, okay? All right, you put 500 in a safe, and the rest of it you divide among 7 people here. Okay, so the total amount of money the manager has at the beginning of a shift, the total amount he has at the end of a shift, well, I'd hope he'd make some money that day, wouldn't it? Huh? Okay, the total amount of money each cashier has, and we said that was y, wasn't it? You had 7 cashiers. This is going to be y, isn't it? Okay, whether it's at the beginning or an end, the cashier represents, each cashier is represented by the y. Because you take the total amount of money and divide it by the 7 cashiers, you'll have the y, which is the amount of money each cashier has. So it's not C or D. And if he makes money during the day, that's going to add to the total amount of money. But what we're starting off with this situation here, he starts off with X at the beginning of the shift. Okay? So that's the total amount of money the manager has at the beginning of a shift. Before he puts the $500 in there, and before he divides it equally among the 7 cashiers, he has X in there. So we're going to pick A.